Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And if I understand the gentleman correctly, this is for a CNC router. And if we look with the shape tool, the arrows are going up, the arrows are going down, the arrows are going up, down, up, down. And that's the way he wants it. I think I've already done it on that one. Let me look at this one. That one's going down, down, down. So they're all going down. And I'm guessing he's doing this on a CNC router, I think. So your head would go down, and instead of having to come all the way back up top, it's just going to go back and forth, much like you would want this for a laser job too, if you were marking this. So he's going to be a little upset how easy this is. I'm going to take the parallel dimension tool and I'm going to measure between these two lines, and I get 0.28 centimeters. Well, this one is going down. So all we have to do is change our nudge factor to 1.28. And also I would change this, your duplicate distance to 0, 0. I'm a little anal on that. But anyway, make this a duplicate, hitting the plus key, and then move it over that 1.28 centimeters. And then if we look, they're going the same direction. They're both going down. Well, he's having to go and change every one of them individually. Well, this is the only one selected, so you can select both those and right-click reverse subpath. So now we have one going up, one going down. And then just double your nudge factor, which ends up being 2.56. And if you don't know that, you can go 1.28 times 2 and get the 2.56. Then just select both these and hit the plus key and move them over how many ever you need. I didn't count how many lines he has, but this is going, let's just pick another one, up, down, down, up. And he has a box around this. So I don't know how many he's got. Let me move this box on this one out of the way. And let me count the lines. There are 97, and I only have 84. So I'm going to select those two again. Trying to just select the two. You can see I've got two objects. Hit the plus key, so that's 84, 86, 88, 90, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then take one of them away. And now you have 97 lines. Then if you want that rectangle around, holding down, with all this selected, holding down the shift tool and double click on your rectangle tool, and then you have that. I changed your colors to green just so people could see it on the video better, but you could do that with green. So now every one of these is in the correct, like a cut order. This one's going up, down, up, down. Makes it, I don't know his reasoning, but if you were doing this, let's say you're cutting this and you wanted all these 1.28 centimeter strips, the laser head would have to go back up, down, and not be cutting. So it's going to save you a lot of laser time or CNC time. I hope that helped him, and I hope that was what the question was, and thank you for watching.